Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix if Android screen won't turn off. So you have simply go to settings and click to display, and there is sleep time. So you will be on 15 seconds. So you will wait for 15 seconds and the phone will be getting off because you have to set for 15 seconds. So you will have to on 30 seconds and click to screensaver and check it to keep the turn off of screensaver. So this is also turn it off already. So you will be go back and find developer options. So now you will be have to go back on the settings and you will find scroll down to into system, and there is developer option. Click to developer option and there is take away. So when you will turn it on, so your phone will be never get sleep and won't turn off on Android. So this is how to won't turn off on Android. So I will now off it because I won't turn it off. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.